Hello, my name is Natalie Ricketts, and this is my how-to video. The standard that I have chosen is standard 2.0A.C.3, and it states, determine whether a group of objects up to 20 has an odd or even number of members by pairing objects or counting them by twos. Write an equation to express an even number as a sum of two equal addends. The manipulatives that I have chosen are coins, specifically pennies, and they're going to be used as counters. So this standard is obviously utilized best in a second grade classroom, specifically when you're dealing with even and odd numbers and learning about them and introducing them to children. For the example problem, I have chosen an even number so that the second part of the standard can be executed as well. The second part states, write an equation to express an even number as a sum of two equal addends. So the problem that I've chosen is the number 12 even or odd? And the second part of this problem is write an equation that equals 12 using two equal addends. In the next slide, we will use pennies as counters to help us solve this problem. So in order to count out our number, I will also utilize an ice cube tray, since the standard states, determine whether a group of objects up to 20 has an odd or even number of members by pairing objects or counting them by twos. This way the student can visualize the counting in these pairings of twos and can also help them determine if the number is even or odd. If even, the pennies will all have a pair. If odd, there will be one without a pair. You could also use an empty egg carton or another counting system that works. So to solve this problem, have the students count out the pennies to 12. So you would just have them put pennies in the tray. So you count out the 12 pennies, then tell if it's even or odd. This number would be even because you could see that all of the pennies have a pair, and an odd would look like this one that did not have a pair in the tray. So next, help the students visualize the number 12 as two equal addends. They could cover up half of the pennies as a way to help them figure this out. So sort of like this. That would be half of the pennies, and they could count by twos on each side to figure that out. So they would see that would be 6. So the student can see that the equation would be 6 plus 6. My name is Natalie Ricketts, and thank you for watching this how-to video.